りないときは両側のゴム管を拭いてください。こちらのお席を2つおかけください。ボーディングパスお預かりいたします。Would you like beef or fish?
Wait a minute, that looks like Hazel. Would you like beef or fish? Yep, that's me, flight attendant on this flight. If you are wondering how did I get here, we will need to start from the beginning. So this summer holiday, we traveled to Osaka, a super early flight, and we landed just before noon. Mom and Dad told me that Osaka was actually the first place that they took me to travel. I have absolutely no idea. In that time, Dad hadn't started making videos, so there wasn't much I can look back to. But hey, here we are again, and this time with Kayla, to enjoy the moment and make some. So this is the plan. We picked up the car from Osaka Airport, and we will be visiting Kyoto, Arima, and Nara in the coming week. Let our road trip begin.
This is Summer Flightline 2024. Stay tuned. Hurry, fly!
It looks like soba noodles is a great choice for our first meal. Let's take a look what's there around we are staying. Shops after shops with countless cool things everywhere. The street here has a vibrant and lively vibe, which is why we like coming to Japan. Always full of surprises and always something for everyone. This is like a heaven for gossip. And it got like everything we could. We tried to get one whenever possible. This cute case. Come on. How about my one? I want these case. Gothenburg. It is bustling with neon lights, shops, and restaurants. Our first dinner is an iconic crab course food, serving a wide variety of crab dishes, including sashimi, steamed, grilled, hot. Even I am not a big fan of seafood. I found it very delicious, very food too. Oishi. Let's get some breakfast before we get day 2 started. Oh, yay!
Why do the birds sing so early in the dawn? Their honeysuckle melodies before my
So day 2, here we go, Universal Studios. Universal Studios, but it's super hot. It's like 30,000 degrees. Kayla and I are so glad this is being planned so early in the trip, so the waiting can finally be over. We've been so longing to come here. And the myth is proven correct. Long queue on the most popular ride. But that didn't bother us because we're not here for those thriller rides. Our objectives are clear. Objective 1, to see the Super Mario Land in real life. The experience started right from the entrance. It feels like we are going through the tube into Mushroom Kingdom. Bring it on, Bowser, let's play. The level of details here are incredible. It is just like what we have seen in the game, but in real life. And we are physically being it. Objective 2, to find out, do we have what it takes to get into Hogwarts, or we are just muggles? This place, the Diagon Alley. It's just like what you have seen in the Harry Potter movies. So mystical and so much fun.
All students must be equipped with one standard size 2 pewter cauldron.
I saw so many people that are in the wand shop just picking out their wands.
Yes. Meteorologics, reckon.
Of course I had to pick Hermione Granger. Kayla had to pick Cedric Diggory. She says that he's from Hufflepuff, so that's why she likes him. Throughout a series of tests, turns out we all know magic except that. And Mom was natural. She's the most powerful one out of all of us.
We are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry.
I know. Hufflepuff. Gryffindor.
resort's vibe continues when we are back in the city later on. And of course, we need to make a visit too. This place are filled with so much fun and full with souvenirs. To avoid rushing for dinner and late return coming back from Universal Studio, we have decided to have a quick, simple dinner run, which is actually what Kayla and I love the most. And that's a wrap for a long, happy, but tiring day. People say that breakfast is the most important meal for the day. And where else you can find the freshest food than the local market? Our first stop for day 3 is Osaka Kizu Market. Next stop, another checkpoint is made for Kayla and I, the KidZania. For those who are not sure what KidZania is, basically, if Universal is all about fantasy and stories, this place is all about reality, a realistic role play, where kids learn about different occupations by participating, just like the real world. You'll get paid for each job and you can spend on what you've earned. The best part is that we get to dress up professionally, bake it till we make it right. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye! See you next time! Summer, summer, no bad friends. Summer, 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 summer. We're gonna get to swim.